Hi, I'm Education Specialist Gwen Roth with the Hamilton County Conservation District. And on this edition of the Conservation and Sustainability blog, we're talking all about the benefits of native trees. So we're going to go out to a homeowner's land that planted a ton of native trees and talk all about those fabulous benefits. So come join us. Trees provide a lot of benefits to wildlife and to humans. Lots of bird species and mammal species will use trees as sources of food and also shelter. They'll build their homes in them and they'll eat the seeds and nuts and leaves and sometimes even the bark of trees. So trees also provide a ton of benefits for humans. Right now I'm standing in the shade of this fabulous tree grove, and if I were standing in the sun it would be significantly hotter. Trees actually help to reduce our energy consumption because they can shade our house and therefore we don't have to run our air conditioning as much. They also help to block the wind in the wintertime so we don't have to run our heaters as much. They help to promote biodiversity. They help to prevent erosion. There are so many fabulous benefits that we get from trees. Now, one super cool thing about trees is they actually talk to each other. And not like I'm talking to you right now, but they can send messages to each other through their root system. In fact, if a tree is being attacked by a pest or a disease, it can send messages to other trees so they can help react and save themselves. They also share resources amongst themselves. So if one is losing a little bit of water or nutrients, other trees can send that to that sickly tree and really help that tree. It is so amazing, all these benefits of trees and how trees survive. In fact, trees that grow up in communities like these grow faster, they grow taller, and they live longer than single trees. So really, planting trees like this is an amazing benefit to you. It's an amazing benefit to wildlife. It's an amazing benefit to our stormwater system, and overall just a fabulous thing to do to help sustainability and conservation in our area. Doug Tallamy, a famous entomologist, which is really just a fancy word for somebody who studies insects, has some really cool things to say about oak trees. In fact, native oak trees can support over 500 species of different types of caterpillars. Now, some of you may know about a tree called a ginkgo tree. Now, a ginkgo tree was brought over from Asia to use in a lot of landscaping, and it's a perfectly fine tree, but it only supports 5 different kinds of caterpillars. So what do you say? A native oak that can support 500 different species of caterpillars, or a ginkgo tree that only supports 5 different species of caterpillars? That's a really big difference. And that's one of the reasons we want to plant native trees over non-native trees. So now that you've learned all of these amazing benefits of native trees, you have to be thinking to yourself, I wonder where I can get some native trees. Well, you're in luck because the Hamilton County Conservation District is having a native tree and shrub sale with 25 different species of native trees and shrubs. Those trees and shrubs will come in 3-gallon containers and will be about 1 to 5 feet tall. So please make your order by August 29th, and the pickup day will be September 10th. And then you too can have all of these fabulous benefits of native trees. So we always encourage you to buy native, whatever it is, native trees, native shrubs, native flowers, native seeds. Go to a local nursery, buy from your local conservation district. It's so much better to buy native. If you don't have room for trees, plant some flowers in your yard. That's perfectly okay. So just remember, buy native, shop local, and you too can help sustainability in the Hamilton County region. Stay tuned next time for some more sustainability and conservation tips on our new blog.